Gangers, inaantay namin yung bride and groom. Kaya pinalabas kami lahat. Ito. Hi Michelle! Hi! Sexy Michelle ah. Ayan.
And we want to get a big group picture for the bridal party. If I could have everybody that's on my left side come this way further.
Ito Filipino restaurant ito. Ayan.
That's Marvin.
Tingnan natin yung makakain natin. Chicharon tayo. Masarap pulutan. Nagkandahulog-ulog na. Hindi pa nag-uumpisa. Tapos order tayo ng ng inumin. Kasi may driver ako eh. Pwedeng uminom. May driver, pwedeng uminom.
Have everybody squeeze in a little bit towards the sign in the middle. Squeeze in. So move to your left. Right,
You guys don't want to meet everybody.
Coming closer, coming closer.
Oh, this one.
Never know. Looks like just salami kind of thing.
Don't be shy.
Yeah.
Kuha tayo ng Skyflex. Ayan, Skyflex.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Alright, now everybody throw your hands up in celebration.
Picture taking pala.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Thank you. Stay where you're at now.
Yung kinukuha ko na kuha ko nito. Isa pa lang na inom ko pero sabi ko kanina konti lang nilagay na vodka. Nung nainom ko may tumatama naman. Karamihan dito na na pesto dito mga Pilipino yan. Kasi ito National City ito. Ito maraming Pilipino na na maliliit na negosyo rito. Karamihan yan. Diyan. Yung sa salon doon. Itong Fiesta Pinoy yan diyan. Ang National City maraming Pilipino. Maraming kainan ng Pilipino, lahat dito. Okay. Tayo natin yung bride and groom. Bye-bye.